Alright, hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. This time it's not a vlog, this time it's an unboxing. A few months ago Adam Savage announced that he would curate a quarterly set, so 3 boxes of maker projects curated by Adam Savage. Well, if you know me, you know that I'm a huge fan of Adam Savage, and so I couldn't help but, just go and order it. It arrived in the mail the other day, and here it is. Now, I've already opened it up and had a look, but frankly, I wanted to share this. Next time I'm gonna do an on-camera unboxing. This time, let's just go through what we got. So, first off, we've got this nifty little Savage Industries tote bag. Now this is thick, heavy duty canvas. Really, really, really nice. And that will come in handy for the rest of the stuff here. Next is a little greeting with a with a little bit of an activity. Next, there's a package of written materials. Feels like about, nice, thick, really, really nice paper. This is thick paper, and it's an essay. It's instructions for the build, and then there's instructions for how to do a version of the build on your own. Right, so the first box is building Adam Savage's shop in 1/48th scale. That's pretty cool. So along with this, we're getting a lot of parts, so let's have a look at them next. And here they are, a huge, heavy duty Ziploc bag. I mean, there's a feeling about a nice heavy duty Ziploc bag, which is just hard to replicate. This looks like it's laser cut. This is gonna be cool. Looking forward to building this one. And now we come to the tools. So, a very nice knife. Let's get that out of its metal shell. This one wasn't too bad. It would have been ironic if I'd had to get out a knife to get the knife out of its box, wouldn't there? So, but we're going to put that right in the pouch. There is a measuring tape, also labeled Savage Industries. Let's see, and it's nice. It's both inches and metric measure. That is beautiful. Pop that also in. Clear stick. And so this is a glue gun with a nice amount of glue sticks, and then there are additional glue sticks. That is pretty nifty. Now this one has got a US plug on it, so either I can put an adapter on it or I'll have to swap it out. We'll see what I do about that. Let's see. This one I'm gonna put to the side for a moment. Very nice rubber, and a couple of decent. These look like they must be mechanical pencils. But they're So how does this work then? Whoop. Well, that ejected with some force. So if I do this and then... Alright, mechanical pencils. That's nice. A Savage Industries branded notebook, and this is, ooh, blank paper on one side and squared on the other. That's very nice. Oh, and then there is a sketchbook. So these are sketches that Adam Savage has made. Here's the bear. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. And there is a grid ruler. Oh, that's nice. And this one looks like it's let's liberate it, shall we? And it is both in inches and metric. And then in the bottom here, we've got, this is a gorgeous, really thick, I mean, this is, let's use our brand new ruler, why don't we? This is 3/4 of a centimeter thick. That is a really beautifully thick cutting mat. And then there is cardstock, which you can use to build your own place in much the same way that you've got this kit here. That's really cool. And then the thing that I secreted away previously is a blueprint for Adam Savage's model making scissor lifting boxes. This is gorgeous. This is, I've got a thing for blueprints, and I've got a few of them which I would love to get framed and put up on a wall somewhere. It's just not happened yet. But this one is going to join those and hopefully not languish too long. But yeah, there you go. That is a pretty cool little haul. Probably the least useful bit to me are these mechanical pencils. They don't seem to be superb quality. Either that or I just haven't figured out how they work, which is always a possibility. Let's see. So if I push down, well, anyway, I've got other pencils, so those aren't going to be used all that much. But otherwise, this is brilliant. I mean, this sketchbook alone is just beautiful. Okay, so I mean, this is an art book, really, and it's gorgeous, and it's printed nicely, and it's on nice paper, and it features a foreword by Adam Savage, and it's, I might be wrong, but this feels like it's actually hand signed. I mean, you can, let me zoom in here and get this back in frame. So this, when I move my finger across the signature at the bottom here, wow, I might be wrong, but I'm betting you I'm not. I think this is actually signed, hand signed by Adam. That is cool. Okay, I am fanboying out here. So before I fanboy out too much, I'm just gonna sign off because this is brilliant. I'm really looking forward to building this little project. I'm looking forward to seeing what we get next month. And you know, this is a nice little thing. I've actually been considering picking up a glue gun. So, oh, it's a dual temp one as well. All right. In one of the episodes of whatever, Adam talks about glue guns and that you want to get dual temp ones if you can, because that allows you to go with different kinds of glue which have different qualities. So one glue can be worked at safely at a touch safe temperature, but is, oh, I bet. Let's see where I put these. Let's see, these are, right, these are high and low temp, and as are these sticks here. Right, so, but basically, and I might have gotten this wrong, but basically, the different temperature setting means that the glue behaves differently. So I'd guess that at the higher temperature setting, the glue flows a lot easier, but is also a lot hotter, warmer. So anyway, that is the first Adam Savage quarterly maker box, and I can't wait to get started.